Hello everyone. So in this video we'll try to make a billboard example using I2C LCD and a Pico W. So we'll just create a simple example of displaying a string hello Pico and like scrolling it from right to left. So here like the pin we have to use is like 4 and 5. So those are the default I2C pins for Pico firmware. The MicroPython firmware uses different pins, I believe 8 and 9. But for here, like you have to use pin 4 and 5. And the address they are using is 3F, but for my LCD it's 27, so I'll use 27. And they are using a different uh, code, but we'll try to create a different example. So the first thing we have to do is like add this, then go into board, select this Pico W, and I had already uploaded the firmware on my Pico W device, so I'll just create add extension. Then let me create some variables. So the SCL is pin 5 and SDA is pin 4. Now I have to add the display extension also. So let me just initialize it and create a loop. And in the loop, let me just print this. I'll go to this position and print it. And my LCD was already clear on the first one, so it's okay. Now let me create a variable also. And let me set this variable. So I'll create 3 blank, 1, 2, 3, then type hello, then 1 blank, then Pico, then 3 blank. So this should be total of a length 16. Let me just check. Yeah, so for 16 character display we are using like this. So I have to display message for the time being. Now let me run and see. So I'll just click this, click Pico W, wait for 2 seconds, click pair, wait for like 3 seconds, click connect, go to editor and just run it to see how it works. Before that I have to add a delay also, otherwise the device would crash. So let me just give a delay of like 0.5 seconds. So that displays this message. Now I have to like create a substring. So first I'll use a join operator. Then I have to create a substring. So I'll use this Arduino. In the Arduino, we have a utility function. And let me create another variable count. Let me set count to like 0 and change count by 1. In this whole thing, let me just run in a different loop. So before this loop count is 0, then this loop will run 16 times. Each time like it will go to this position and display a string, then increment the count by 1. This will repeat like 16 times. So like first I have to use from count. Let's say count is like 15, so like 15 to 16, like it would give me the last character. Then it will append the first string, so like from 0 to count. So it will create a circular pattern, like for example, let's say so like this initial string, let's say 0 to 3, it would cut and then it would paste it here like 0 1 2 3. Then it would cut this 0 1 2 3 4 5 and then it would paste it here like 0 1 2 3 4 5. Then again like it would do like 0 1 2 3 4 5 and then it would paste it here like 0 1 2 3 4 5. So it would start from 6 7 8 9 a b c d e f 0 1 2 3 4 5. So this like going in a circular fashion, so like every time like it would advance, so like it would create like 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and it would move it here. So like so it would become like this. So like it is keep on repeating. So like 0 was earlier here, then it came here here. So this is like going left, so this would create a scrolling effect. So this is what we are looking for. So I'll just add this. So I'll use this join and like split the string in two part. So I'm like appending the last part to the first part. And every time I'm changing the count by 1. So initially it was 0 and I'm changing by 1 and waiting for like 0.5 seconds. So let's just run this code and see like how it works. So pins are already initialized, message is initialized, all the LCD initialization has been done. Then I have created a count variable and repeating this inner loop 16 times, and this whole thing is going on forever. So every time it goes in forever loop, like the count is reset to 0. Then the cursor position is also reset to 0 0, and I am like splitting the string in two parts, so appending the last part to the first part and displaying it on LCD and then incrementing by 1. So this is the position where I have to split the string, waiting for 0.5 second, and again like this will keep on repeating. So let's just run on LCD and see how it works. So my LCD is connected to pin 4 and 5. And because this is a 5 volt LCD connected to a 3.3 volt power supply, so the display is little lighter. But you can see that scroll effect. So the text is moving like from right to left and appearing again like from the right side and like disappearing in the left side. So this is how like we have created our billboard using that I2C 16x2 LCD. So I hope you like this video. Please do share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.